If you're trying to grow your client's account on Instagram and something is not working kasi nakaka-receive kayo ng less than 1,000 views, 500 views, or 200 views, wag mo munang papalitan yung content strategy mo. Try to do the experimenting. I recently do this to my client dahil we receive 2,000, 3,000, 1,000 views where normally 5,000 up yung views namin. Pero what I did is tiningnan ko yung analytics namin and tiningnan ko kung ano yung pinakamataas na views, like 100,000, 200,000, 500,000, and nakita ko na most of them is B-roll with trending audio. That's why dun sa mga content na mababa yung views namin, nirepurpose ko siya. Instead of doing it talking head, ginawa ko siyang B-roll then with trending audio, and instead of doing it carousel, ginawa ko siyang B-roll with trending audio. And it works perfectly kasi we receive 100, 300, 500, 700 views sa content na yun with the same content idea but different content format. Kaya in social media, for you to grow your own account, wag mo munang ibahin lahat but experiment with the content format.